Have you ever wanted to edit just one part of your handwritten note without rewriting everything? The Lasso tool in Samsung Note lets you quickly select handwritten content so you can move or edit it. Let me show you how. First, open Samsung Note. Then open any handwritten note. Tap the selection mode icon on the toolbar. Then tap it again and make sure that Lasso is selected. Now, draw a circle around the handwriting you want to select. As a note, you can do this with your S Pen or with your finger if finger drawing is enabled. Once selected, it's now ready for even more editing, such as changing its style, converting it to text, or copying it. For this example, let's move this item to the top by dragging it. Then tap anywhere outside the selected area to place it. As you can see, the selected handwriting has been moved. And that's how to select handwriting with the Lasso tools in Samsung Note on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.